Welcome to the first tutorial episode on Modelur, where 3 ways of installing it on SketchUp will be shown. The first one is on Modelur.com. Click on the orange Start Free button, then click on the SketchUp logo. Finally, click on the blue Download button and check if the file has downloaded. Now go to SketchUp. Navigate to the toolbar and click on Extensions, then Extension Manager. Click on the Install Extension button. Find the downloaded file and open it. You've now installed Modelur. The second way to install it is by going to Extensions, then Extension Warehouse, search for Modelur, and install it. Click on Yes. After a few seconds, it will be installed. You can also install Modelur using the Extension Store plugin. Simply click on the Extension Store icon, search for Modelur, and click on the red Install button. To see if you've successfully installed Modelur, click on View, then Toolbars. Make sure Modelur is checked. Now you can move it to the taskbar. To set it up, click on the blue Initialize button. To get a free license, fill the form and click on the orange button. If you already have a license, simply click on the blue button here and enter your license key to activate it. After a few seconds, it should activate. Thank you for watching, and please remember you can always visit our official website or YouTube channel for more tutorials.